Good day, sir. This is my explanation for this coding. Number 1, hashtag include iostream. Allows the program to use input and output, or cin and cout. Number 2, using namespace standard semicolon, let's you write cout and cin without standard. Third, fourth, int main, the main function where the program starts. 4. 5. Char donor recipient. Stores the blood type of the donor and the recipient. For the char, is used to store letters like O, A, and B. For the 6th, displays a message asking for the donor's blood type. For the 7th, cin greater than donor, semicolon, reads the donor's blood type from user. For the number 8, cout less than recipient blood type 0 A, B, and AB. Displays a message asking for the recipient's blood type. Number 9, cin greater than recipient, reads the recipient's blood type. Number 11, bool compatible equal false, semicolon, creates a true or false variable, starts as false or not compatible by default. Number 13, if or donor double equal 0, compatible equal true, semicolon, blood type 0 can donate to all types. Number 14, type A can donate to A and AB. Number 15, type B can donate to B and AB. Number 16, type AB can donate only to AB. Number 18, checks if the donation is allowed. 19, printed if the blood types match. 20, runs if donation is not allowed. 21, printed if blood types do not match. And return O ends the program successfully. Number 24, bracket, closes the main function, and when I run it, it shows up like this. Yan. Thanks. Bye po. Bye.